guys, I'm actually sitting in front of our next project. Hope you enjoy the video. You're so cute. So for this project, all you really need is an old refrigerator magnet. Here I'm just going to use white computer paper. And because computer paper is pretty thin, I folded it over just to give myself a few extra layers to kind of block out the images that are already on the magnet. Go ahead and trace out your magnet and cut out your paper. And then you're going to need a glue stick. That way you can just keep all your layers in place while you're working. So once you have all your layers glued together, just make sure you smooth it out. And here I'm just going to use a black Sharpie. Feel free to use color if you want to. And on each side, I'm just putting a leafy vine type design. Just make sure whenever you do your design that on one side your leaves or whatever is facing one direction, and then turn it over and then do your other side. That way whenever you're using your magnet, it doesn't look like your image is actually upside down. I just chose to use the words clean and dirty. So the next step is going to be adding your lamination. So if you have clear tape, that works perfect. Or you can also use clear packaging tape. But I have my laminator handy, so I'm just going to go ahead and run it through on this, which really they both work the same. It's just whatever you have available. Once it's gone through, go ahead and give it a trim. And then I decided that since it cut kind of close, I'm just going to go ahead and run it through a second time just to make sure all my edges are sealed. They're clean. Everyone can see that they are clean, and when they're dirty, ta-da! And if you do your writing differently, so this is different than this, even littles that can't actually read yet can tell the difference. So yeah, hope you enjoy this. If you try it out, let me know. What does the sign say?
The turkey.
Awesome!